Yung sinabi mo na
Yes.
ano, na activity should be engaging, relevant, and enjoyable. This really strikes a nerve, because I've witnessed a lot of team building from different teams before na when they have team buildings puro inuman lang.
Mm.
And I've even attended one, parang they invited me. Parang they invited me in their team building because parang mag-speech daw ako, whatever, right? So I went there, and then I only stayed there for a couple of hours, and that's my personal rule. Whenever I join team building of my for example, may TL ako, right? Or meron akong OM at yung cluster niya mag-team building, I would only drop by but not stay there for the rest of the night, right? Or the entire day, right? And then I stayed there for a couple of hours. Actually, 1 hour lang. Then I extended because I was actually waiting for the program to start, right? Wala eh. Puro inuman lang talaga. And then the following week,
Hmm.
I asked the TL, so ano nangyari sa team building? How was it? Yun nga, nag-inuman nga lang daw sila, nalasing si ganito, keme. So, the story during that team building is all about inuman, but that's not what I want from team buildings kasi mo especially from my team and then
Yes.
the team that I'm handling before, puro inuman lang, and I think yun na yung ano, yun na yung naging reputation ng team building na kapag team building ay inuman lang yun, ayoko niyan.